Hello everyone. So today I was facing a issue where I was not able to install and download the Alienware Command Center. So I know you must be wondering how to install and install the Alienware Command Center. I searched through all the internet video, like it was something like click on run and then uh, something percentage app data and everything, and it still didn't work. So what worked for me was actually go to your Alienware website. Okay, download Alienware Command Center. Okay, the first step is download Alienware Command Center. Once you download it, install it. After installing, it will give you an error that something installation was interrupted. Okay, after that, once it gets interrupted, so you have to do few steps. So watch this step very carefully. So you have to go, okay, first you have to go to C program file and delete this folder InstallShield installation information. You have to delete this folder first. Second, delete this folder Dell. It will be on C program data Dell. Delete this folder. Then delete download installation. It will be on app data local, and make sure you turn on the hidden file by going to view options. Okay, like you can go view and go turn on the hidden items. Okay, so and then what you have to do is like you have to go here, see user, and this will be your name, whatever I have just put the random name. This will be your C user, whatever the name of your PC or whatever is that. So C user app data local Microsoft window, and just here like this. Okay, so just make it, enter it, so it will show you some options like this. Because I have already installed it, that's why it's not showing here an option. But once you do that, this process, you will see options of setup like this, or there will be 2-3 setup will be there, because you have installed the process and it stopped in middle. So what system do is like they make a copy of system software on this locations. So I think here you will see 2-3 options of setup. So click on that setup, because see I have already installed it. So you will see software of this one. Let me show you. So it will be setup 5.8.2.0, because or whatever is software you are installing. Also there will be an option of smart installer. Install this one also, install this one, and from here you install this. So what will happen once you install this setup will get completed. Okay, but you will not be able to see Alienware after installing this setup. So what you have to do, reinstall your computer. After you reinstall it, go back to your this setup Alienware Command Center, click on this setup, and then you will see 3 options. One will be of repair, one will be of modify, and one will be of uninstall, or install or remove, something like that. So you have to click on remove or uninstall. So what it will do, it will just uninstall all the hidden files and everything, directory, everything. Once it is uninstall, then then after that everything is installed, restart your computer, and then once again download this Alienware Command Center and uninstall it, then it will reinstall. And I think this setup, this process may not be helpful, but for me it worked like that because I did this all the steps. And also I want to tell you that before doing this step, try to do all the steps which like you will see videos on YouTube like app data, go to documents and delete alienware, all that you will see on this, all that thing on the other videos. Try to do that also, and then after doing that, do what I'm telling to you to do. And if this problems helped you to solve, just let me know in the comment section. Bye.